Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, May 20th, 2023, we bring to you a long overdue update on the construction of the new Belle Chasse Bridge over the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway. It's been 1 year almost to the day since we've done video across the bridge, and there's been some major progress in this past year. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click the link in the upper right hand corner of your screen to view the playlist. The first thing we see is the construction zone is expanded northward along LA 23 with construction signs, cones, and barrels visible before we even enter Plaquemines Parish. The roadway begins to expand outward to allow for the new bridge approach to be built in between the north and southbound lanes. The bridge over the Algiers Outfall Canal, which is the border between Jefferson and Plaquemines parishes, has been widened, and the southbound lanes which were on travel over the new portion of that bridge. As we approach State Oil and Engineers Road, you can see on the right where a turnaround has been paved, presumably to accommodate northbound trucks needing to make a U-turn to access Engineers Road. The utility poles in front of State Oil have been replaced and relocated to accommodate the wider roadway. On the left, Planters Canal Road no longer connects with LA 23 at all. As we near the tunnel, you can see the new bridge has been built right up to the point where it doesn't interfere with the existing roadway. This makes me wonder about the fate of the former Tunnel Inn, the diner with the red roof on the right, which seems to be a candidate for demolition once the tunnel approach needs to be moved out of the path of the bridge construction. Once we get into the tunnel, everything is as usual, including the trickle of canal water midway through. Now we're going to turn around and take the bridge back. If you didn't notice the lack of northbound traffic before we went into the tunnel and the flashing red lights, the bridge was up. We'll wait here for the bridge to come down, and then I'll get into the left lane to get a better view of the new bridge, which looks a lot more complete on this side of the canal. Here I'm going to make a U-turn to illustrate the truck turnaround that's been cut into the right-of-way on the opposite side of the road. This isn't the same one I pointed out earlier, but this one is able to be used currently. I guess we'll find out why they're here in a later update. This concludes today's update. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.